in Maltego, you can do more than just a simple search, giving a domain and asking to search for email related to domain, or giving a person and asking for information related to this person. So it's not just like a Google search. Actually, it can do more. So for instance, the previous search that we made, and we end up with some results related to email, I can get one of those email and I can start searching more about it. So if this is my target, I can start searching information about this email has been mentioned what. Maybe he registered or he have an account in one of the social network using that. I can search about this person. I can search his phone number. So from the output, you can get more information. But one of the things that you can do is to relate things together. So for instance, let me take a domain and let me take a person. So if I'm searching for someone working in a company, instead of just searching in general for HSBC, I need to search for someone working somewhere. So let me open a new screen and let's take another scenario. What I need to do right now is I need to relate things together, okay, to get more specific search. So I will go here and I'm going to choose a domain, okay, and I'm going to put this domain, for instance, Microsoft.com. Microsoft.com. And I'm going to choose a person working in Microsoft. And guess who I'm going to choose? Where is the person? I will choose Bill Gates, and I'm going to see what information I can get. I have first to relate things together. Location. Here you go. I need a person. Here you go. And I will type here Bill Gates. I can even choose a location, US or whatever, any state, and then I can relate things together. I mean, I know that Bill Gates are working in Microsoft. So I can just drag a line from here to there and click on OK. And that means that I'm looking for someone who's working in this company. And by doing that, I can specify what I'm looking for. I need to have his email in Microsoft. I need to have his phone number and so on. So my point was that I can get more specific information if I already know about that. Okay. Now, another point that I need to discuss with you is how to feel comfortable working with Maltego. For instance, how can I zoom in and out? Because after a while, this screen will be very, very crowded. Just by the rolling of the mouse, you can screen in and screen out. If I need to move the screen, because as I told you, it will be crowded, so sometimes you need to get a little bit left or right, you just right click on it and move the screen. So it's very easy to use Maltego. You just need to get familiar with it.